In this video, I'll be showing you how you can add a video into text in Davinci Resolve 18. It is super simple. So first of all, what you need to do is close down this and open up the clip that you want to have as a text form. When you have done that, you need to add the video here and put it up to video 2, and that is very important. From here, you need to go up to effects because we want to add the titles, and then add the text plus underneath the clip, like so. And from here, you can disable the video 2, like so you can see the custom title from the text X. From here, you need to go over to title here and click in what you want. I just want to have city for this example. Then you can change the font, and I highly suggest you get a big font so you can see the background in it. So for this tutorial, I'm gonna choose this one. And it's very important that you don't change the color, but you can change the size like this, like so. Then you can enable the video track again. You can go up to the video 2 track and scroll down up here on the menu, on the inspector, and go down to composite. On the composite mode, you need to change that into the foreground, like so. And then you need to go down to the video 1 tab and go into the settings tab up here. That is very important that you do that in the settings tab instead of the title. Then click on the composite mode. Then scroll down and click in alpha, like so. And there you have it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!